Hi, welcome everyone to my channel. I am in Gdansk again, a lovely city, and I will be here for about a week time. So let's make the room tour. First of all, fantastic floor. The floor, it is so beautiful, and here we go, the living room over here and the bedroom there. We've got really nice and small hall, and the best thing, the huge mirror over here. Lovely and amazing kitchen. This is really similar to my bathroom, actually, and black furniture, and this is really amazing room. I really like it. Clock really similar to mine, so I feel really great so far. I like this contrast with the white and gray, so we have so many colors in here. And this rusty orange sofa is also great. Yes, it's gonna be new boots, the Docs Martens. I will make the unboxing over here. So also nice chair, I really like it, and nice table. What I can say, the kitchen is really fantastic. I really love this small tiny apartment, but very nice and stylish. This is my idea for the first time. When I think about my kitchen, I thought about just empty wall, just this on the wall. Oh my god, I am a little bit ill. I don't know what happens, but it's just so bad. Here is a small and tiny bedroom with the huge wardrobe. Wardrobe is really okay, nothing else you need. It is great. Just, oh my god, I can't go. Okay, we've got, I don't know why the other part it is closed. Maybe because this is just not for me. Okay. This is a cool thing. I have to think about something like this. Just we can put the blazer or the jacket. So yeah, really cool. A picture, really nice, but quite large. And the view from the window, it is nice, not so bad. The city center is very close. It's just there. This floor is really nice. I love this color, and I love how it is made. So cool. What else we have? Bathroom. Bathroom, it is okay, small, still the same floor in the bathroom, just toilet and big shower room. Shower, it is really huge, so big. And this is it actually. And everything so nice and clean. We've got some showers and everything. Nice, I like that. And yeah, what we've got here, some paper and a hairdryer. I've got my Dyson, I don't need anything else. So now I have to take some, I don't know, syrup or some medicines, because I feel like I've got my head will explode in the minute. And yeah, so wish me like, wish me luck, not like, but you can like my video. And here is my new glasses, the second frames I've got. I just left at home, but I've got a new one, and I think that they are so beautiful. They are plastic, but thin plastic, and they are really great. I love in them so good. My plan for this week is gonna be relax, and make some videos, of course. I wanna go, of course, to the city center and I don't know, go for shopping, because Zara is here, so I'm sure I will visit Zara too. And yeah, it's gonna be, I think, a few videos. Today it is very windy day, beautiful sunny day, not really cold, but really windy and not nice. So the best way it is hide at the shop, at the shopping mall. I need some grocery shopping. It's like some milk and things like that. Something to eat, and yeah, it's gonna be just easy week.